Hear this crunch? This is dried mint. You can make this at home with just 2 simple steps. There are days, when you need mint in some recipes and you don't have it. Why to panic? We can just get the fresh mint, and that's what I did. I got the fresh mint, I washed the leaves, and then I dried it on a paper towel for 3 to 4 days. So it's almost like if you get good sun, then great. If you're not getting sun, still no worries. We would still let it dry until it reaches to this stage. So all I do is I save this in the container and keep using it all the time for my recipes, for my raitas, any drinks that I'm making, or even the recipe that requires mint, I use the dried mint. And all I do is, there's a method of doing it. So when you are holding this mint, just crush it, just like that. And then you have, it smells so good. It's so refreshing.